What's the meaning of chancy? Chancy. Chancy.
Chancy. Chancy. The word chancy means something that is uncertain or risky. It is often used to describe situations where the outcome is unpredictable and could go either way, with a high degree of chance involved. This can refer to anything from a risky investment or a dangerous activity to a random event that could have positive or negative consequences. In essence, chancy signifies a lack of control and a reliance on luck or chance for a successful outcome, making it an uncertain and potentially risky proposition.